Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit your video for TikTok that you want to post on your timeline. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your TikTok, and after opening up your TikTok, you can see a plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Here you can see the plus icon which is on the middle right here on the down bottom of your screen. If you click on this, it will take you to a different screen where now you are able to post any kind of video or photos you want. You just have to click on upload, which is on the right side of your screen, and now after clicking on upload, you can select the video or photo that you want. Here, just select any kind of video that you want, and after selecting the video, click on next. And after clicking on next, it will take you to a different screen where now you can see a edit option on the top right hand side of your screen. And from then on, you are able to edit your video for TikTok. This was for this video, and that's how you can edit your video for TikTok. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.